Welcome to Hubbard's Journey. We have breaking news. We are on the beautiful Carnival Dream, and it was delayed from embarkation. We didn't leave port until almost midnight because of a tragedy, specialty divers, and fueling engineer concerns.
Good evening, Carnival Dream family. This is Lawrence, your cruise director. Again, welcome aboard. We hope you're making yourself comfortable and your brand new home away from home for the next few days. I'm just here to reiterate what Captain Blanco's update was recently. As you may have noticed, accidentally some of our cords from our underside cleaning equipment, they got tangled under the ship. And so now we're waiting for the arrival of divers to remove them. They are expected to arrive shortly. In addition to this issue, our engineers are working to resolve a fuel-related issue. Now, we will continue to monitor the situations and provide you with an update closer to 8:30, like Captain said, as safety is our top priority. We will be in touch soon. Thank you so much. Once again, welcome on board. This is Lawrence, your cruise director. Bye, family.
As I mentioned, there were a number of different events. The first event was an individual, unfortunately, went through a tragic situation and has passed away. And we like to get our prayers out for the deceased and their family. It's just, you never want to see this on a cruise ship. The next thing that happened was the lines tangled up underneath the ship. We had to wait for special divers to come and dive underneath the ship and untangle the lines. And then the third was the fueling situation. There is an issue with the fueling. It was roughly around 9:30 in the evening that the captain announced that the ship may not be taking off until the following day. A few hours after the captain's announcement, roughly right around midnight, the ship started pulling away from the pier and we were heading out to the Gulf of Mexico. However, these chain of events resulted in a port being canceled. The first port of call was Key West, and that port has since been canceled, and we are heading straight to Amber Cove.
Zvonko with an update. Once again, thank you for your patience and understanding while we worked on the issues we were facing. Removal of the entangled cords from the underside of the ship took longer than expected, and we departed Galveston just before midnight. Unfortunately, due to this late departure, we will not be able to keep our visit to Key West. To make it up to you, we'll extend our time in Amber Cove, arriving at 8 a.m. and departing at 6 p.m. Wednesday on January 15. We know you were looking forward to seeing Key West and share your disappointment for this change of, and really sorry for the change of the plans. Separately, our engineers are still working on the fuel-related matter, but it will not affect our itinerary.
Captain, his staff, and all the crew were amazing through all of these chain of events. And again, we'd like to extend our condolences to the deceased and his family.